Hey guys, and welcome to the SimpleSwap cryptocurrency exchange. The new episode of Know Your Crypto is here. Today we'll talk about Terra. Let's roll. Terra is an open-source decentralized public blockchain protocol. It's created for algorithmic stablecoins. The main idea of Terra is to create stablecoins that can track the prices of fiat currencies. The Terra protocol has two tokens which have different functions. Terra is a stablecoin that's meant to track fiat currencies' prices. Luna is a protocol staking token. It's used for voting for governance decisions as well as for staking rewards. Both tokens can be burned to mint the other one. A special algorithmic market module guarantees the price stability of Terra. Users are incentivized to maintain stability. Where did Terra come from? The project was created in January 2018 by Daniel Shin and Du Quan. They wanted to create a new type of smart money that could reflect the flexible nature of the digital economy. The main goal of the Terra project is to help the adoption of blockchain technology and cryptocurrency through a focus on price stability and usability. What are the advantages of Terra? Scalability. The Terra protocol is scalable. It's designed to maintain Terra's price stability regardless of market size, volatility, or demand. The monetary policies encoded into the protocol ensure its durability and resilience in all market fluctuations. Interoperability. The network is designed to run on multiple chains connected by the Cosmos IBC. Currently, Terra is live on Ethereum and Solana. Fast transactions with low fees. Possibility to stake Luna and earn interest of around 5% in a year. Terra has a growing ecosystem with strong DApp development. What about Terra's disadvantages? Various governments all over the world have started preparing for CBDCs. Terra stablecoins could get hit if the stringent laws are incorporated negating stablecoins. To sum up, Terra is a great project that provides an opportunity to work with stablecoins in a comfortable and easy way. The team was able to create interesting tokenomics for both Terra and Luna. It's easy to understand and maintain. So if you're interested in stablecoins, this may be the project for you to learn more about. We hope this video was useful and helped you to understand the Terra project a little bit better. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like us and subscribe to our channel to see more videos from SimpleSwap.